Gardening is more than just growing plants. It's about caring for the earth. Sustainable gardening helps us grow food and flowers while protecting the environment. It focuses on using natural resources wisely and reducing waste. Whether you have a small backyard garden or a large farm, adopting eco-friendly practices can make a big difference. In this guide, we will share 10 simple tips to help modern farmers create a more sustainable and environmentally friendly garden. Make sure you subscribe to our channel Green Life Guide and press the bell icon so you don't miss any of our latest updates. Let's get started. Number 10. Practice organic farming. One of the foundational principles of sustainable gardening is to eliminate the use of synthetic chemicals such as pesticides, herbicides, and fertilizers. Organic farming relies on natural methods to enhance soil fertility and control pests. This includes the use of compost, manure, and organic mulches that enrich the soil without harming beneficial insects or the wider environment. By embracing organic farming, farmers can grow healthier crops and contribute to a cleaner, safer environment. Number 9. Practice crop rotation. Crop rotation is an age-old technique that plays a significant role in sustainable gardening. This method involves growing different types of crops in the same area across different seasons. Crop rotation helps maintain soil fertility, reducing soil erosion, and preventing the buildup of pests and diseases that can occur when the same crop is planted repeatedly. By diversifying the types of crops grown, farmers can improve the nutrient balance in the soil and reduce the need for chemical fertilizers. Number 8. Utilize composting. Composting is a natural process that turns organic waste into nutrient-rich soil. By recycling kitchen scraps, yard waste, and other organic materials into compost, farmers can create a valuable resource that improves soil structure, increases its water-holding capacity, and provides essential nutrients for plants. Composting also reduces the amount of waste sent to landfills, thereby lowering greenhouse gas emissions. Incorporating compost into the garden helps create a more sustainable and closed-loop system. Number 7. Encourage biodiversity. Promoting biodiversity in the garden is another essential aspect of sustainable gardening. By growing a variety of plants, farmers can create a habitat that attracts beneficial insects, birds, and other wildlife. This, in turn, helps in natural pest control and pollination, reducing the need for chemical interventions. Intercropping, planting native species, and creating wildlife-friendly spaces, such as ponds or hedgerows, are some ways to enhance biodiversity. A diverse garden ecosystem is more resilient to pests and diseases and can adapt better to changing environmental conditions. Number 6. Implement water conservation techniques. Water is a precious resource, and conserving it is key to sustainable gardening. Farmers can adopt several water-saving techniques such as drip irrigation, rainwater harvesting, and the use of mulch to retain soil moisture. Drip irrigation, for instance, delivers water directly to the plant roots, reducing water wastage due to evaporation. Rainwater harvesting involves collecting and storing rainwater for use during dry periods. Mulching not only conserves water, but also helps in suppressing weeds and regulating soil temperature. By implementing these techniques, farmers can minimize water usage and ensure a more efficient and sustainable gardening process. Number 5. Use natural pest control methods. Instead of relying on chemical pesticides, modern farmers can use natural pest control methods to protect their crops. Integrated pest management, IPM, is a holistic approach that combines different strategies such as crop rotation, biological control, and the use of resistant crop varieties to manage pests. Farmers can also introduce beneficial insects like ladybugs, which prey on harmful pests. Planting companion plants that repel pests or attract predators is another effective method. These practices not only reduce the reliance on harmful chemicals, but also maintain the ecological balance in the garden. Number 4. Adopt no-till gardening. No-till gardening is a sustainable practice that involves minimal disturbance to the soil. Traditional tilling can lead to soil erosion, loss of organic matter, and disruption of soil microbes. By adopting no-till methods, farmers can protect the soil structure, increase its organic content, and improve water retention. No-till gardening often involves using cover crops, mulches, and organic matter to keep the soil covered and healthy. This method not only conserves soil, but also reduces the carbon footprint associated with conventional farming practices. Number 3. Support pollinators. Pollinators like bees, butterflies, and birds are vital for the reproduction of many plants, including those that produce fruits and vegetables. However, the decline in pollinator populations due to habitat loss, pesticide use, and climate change poses a significant threat to food production. Farmers can support pollinators by planting a variety of nectar-rich flowers, providing nesting sites, and avoiding the use of harmful chemicals. Creating a pollinator-friendly garden not only ensures better crop yields, but also contributes to the conservation of these essential species. Number 2. Plant perennials. Perennials are plants that live for more than 2 years, and they play a crucial role in sustainable gardening. Unlike annuals, which need to be replanted every season, perennials establish deep root systems that help in soil stabilization and reduce the need for frequent watering. They also provide a habitat for beneficial insects and contribute to the garden's overall biodiversity. By incorporating perennials such as fruit trees, herbs, and flowering plants into their gardens, farmers can create a low-maintenance, sustainable environment that thrives year after year. Number 1. Recycle and reuse materials. Sustainable gardening also involves the careful use of resources by recycling and reusing materials whenever possible. Farmers can repurpose old containers, wood, and other materials to create garden beds, trellises, or compost bins. Using recycled materials reduces waste, saves money, and minimizes the environmental impact of gardening activities. Additionally, farmers can use biodegradable products and avoid single-use plastics to further reduce their ecological footprint. That's all for now. I hope you have enjoyed watching the video. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section or DM us on our Instagram page at GreenLeafGuideOfficial. Also, subscribe to our channel Green Life Guide for more amazing videos. Thank you.